In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Codex. So the first thing you'll need is a OpenAI account with ChatGPT subscription, such as the Plus, Pro, or Business, which usually includes Codex access. And then you will need to get the desktop app for Codex, which is this one. And then you just need to sign into your ChatGPT or OpenAI account with the subscription. You can click on the settings here and click on logout and then sign into your other account. Otherwise, you can just upgrade your account by clicking on Get Plus here, and it should take you to the pricing website here, right, where you can choose a plan. Next, you can start using Codex for your projects. You can also install the CLI for Codex or command line interface if you need that. And the setup should be easy. You will need to have Node and NPM installed first. And then you want to open up the terminal. And now in the terminal, you will need to run the following command, which is npm space install space -g space at openai/codex. And then press enter. And once this is completed, you will need to run the following command as well, which is export space OpenAI underscore key equals, and then you replace your API key right here. And if you are on Windows, you can use the PowerShell and the environment variables. And then just press enter to execute the command. And once this is done, you want to go to your project folder. So for example, you can create a folder for your project and then open up the folder and open up PowerShell in this directory. Hold down Shift and open PowerShell in this directory. And then you want to just run Codex in this directory. And this will guide you through the process of setting up Codex for your project. So you want to press 1 here for yes and continue. And then you can start running your commands here. So for example, find and fix a bug at my main.py or something like that by simply typing your prompt and then just running it with pressing enter. Now you can also have Codex extensions for your IDEs if you want to use it with an IDE. You can simply open up your IDE and look in the plugins or extensions marketplace, or you can look online. Online. So for example, you can type VS Code Codex extension and then open up the first link. Now, if you scroll down, you should find the installation for the Codex extension. So for example, here it offers Codex for JetBrains IDEs. You can also open up VS Code and look in the extensions tab. And if you search here for Codex, you should find the Codex extension, which you can install. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.